Watch the frame rate drop on this. Wow. Brutal. How's everybody doing? Gonna try a little bit of Teardown again. Just a quick Sandbox playthrough. I'll show you how I lit the house on fire the last time. You hit 6 a few times. You've got this thing called the thermite cannon. And if you look, it's wanting to set stuff on fire. Let's start with this truck since it seemed to have a soft top the last time we played. Now check out what this thing does. It's pretty crazy. I don't know if a thermite cannon is an actual thing, but that's insane. And you might not be aware, but it actually shoots it super far. Look, it hit that tree back there. Look how far it sprays. Look at that. Fire! Fire! There's a truck back here. Let's get it out of harm's way. A little rock climbing. Oh yeah. Nice. Let's blast through the gate. Oh, broke the front. That's okay. I wonder if we can put this thing on the boat and then cross the river with it. I'm gonna back the boat up to the dock right there. Hopefully the map's not just gonna catch all on fire because of that thermite cannon, but right there. Don't get too close. Perfect. It's got a flat platform, so I'm thinking if we drive the truck, we should be able to drive the truck right on there. Obviously, this is going to be in the way, so what I'm going to do is just shoot this all the way with the pistol. We shouldn't be harming any of the other... We shouldn't be damaging the integrity of the boat. I've noticed that just from the force of the pistol. We've pushed the boat about 5 feet from the dock there. That's kind of cool. Equals MC square. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. That should be good. Should be almost enough. Let's do it. Let's do it. Alright, here we go. Oh no. I thought that might happen. It should have a parking brake. It's still kind of there. Let me see. Well, we tried. We tried. So there's pipe bombs, which is what I killed the boat with last time in the last video. There's also just bomb. Actually, you know what? I think if you put a bomb down, let's put it here. Yeah, it automatically bows up. But C4 on the other hand, you can put down multiple charges, and then you have to press K to detonate the charges. So we'll put 2 on the front of the boat. We'll put 1 there, 1 there. Put 1 on the truck, 1 there, and 1 there. Let's see what happens with that amount of C4. Stuff in the water kind of just disappears when you blow it up. That's not super fun. If you've noticed, everything in this game looks really good, but stuff on top of the water sometimes doesn't look so good. And I learned how to open doors. You push the right mouse button, and you push and pull the door. Let's go blow up this tower up here, whatever this thing is. I'm just going to put C4 all along the base. Let's do 3 per side. Alright, we've done 3 per side. Let's put a couple on the floors in here. This is going to be a big explosion, and I'd be willing to bet the frame rate drops. All the way to the top. One on each wall. This is as high as we can go, so let's, oh, one on the roof. Let's put another one on the roof. Let's get out of here. Let's stand on this rock. Alright. Bring up my frame rate counter in the upper right corner. Let's see how all this C4 affects the frame rate. Right now we're looking at a chill 110, 120 FPS. Alright, this is the tower. A lot of C4 in there. Active charges of C4, 29. Press K to detonate. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow. There's no more building. There's no more building. Last time we set the office on fire. Let's plant some C4 charges on the office. I just want to see if we can make quick work of the office. Let's go inside. Oh, the door is locked. There we go. C4. We'll go upstairs. We'll put a couple on the corners. It's our old friend, the printer. The shotgun went through the door and actually hit the wall back here. Put one on the lamp. Can we then move the lamp? Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Let's put a few along the outside as well. Oops. Specifically want that air conditioner to blow up. Alright, we're gonna put one on the office sign up there. Watch this magic. Boom. Done. Let's save Uncle Buck's car, actually. Unlike last time, we're not gonna dump it in the lake. Alright, say goodbye to the office. In 3, 2, 1. Frame rate took a bit of a dive there. Also have this thing called the vacuum. It just draws everything. Like, it's not like it just sucks up dirt or broken voxels. It draws everything. There's this other weapon called Liquify. And this thing will just... see how it highlights the whole wall. Watch the frame rate drop on this. Wow. Brutal. I guess because it's rendering each and every one of those little blocks. I don't know if the vacuum would help in this situation. But what I've noticed with the vacuum is other things will start to come towards you and hit you. So I got rid of all the little voxels. But it also makes everything look at, like even the truck over there. Everything starts coming towards you. If you're not careful, you will get hit. One last thing before we leave. Teardown. You want to release some anger? release some energy. Oh. There you go. Teardown. Have all kinds of fun. Ah, don't fall in the water. Oh. Merlin. He's safe. This is neat. You can take these. You can place them somewhere. And then you can shoot them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, turn off the game, go outside, grab a coffee, call a friend, hang out with a buddy, go bike riding, call your family, enjoy life. Get outside, get some sun, get some fresh air. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.